got scared.
Why?
There's a dinosaur.
Who kept falling? Here, go ahead. Keep going.
What's that, baby?
How he like dinosaurs, but he's scared of them?
He's scared, but he wants them. He's like in the.
Oh, so cute.
Rishali, my goodness, you got him a bunch of stuff.
Hey, did he have one of those? Yeah.
Yeah, he does have that.
But this is more.
That's it. Mommies? What the?
Okay, now you go inside the bag.
Rishali, look, he's so hyper. Rishali, what is going on?
Girl, favorite.
I always.
It's shaking.
It's like he threw everything out.
Keep going, keep going. Okay. Alright, the gold one. Yes.
Look at my shirt.
He's gonna hurt himself.
Look at my shirt. Not cool. You're still gonna pass that to your
This
brother,
one's from
you know?
Grandpa and Erica. What is it? What is it? Ripping it. Rip it. You're strong. Rip it.
With your nails.
Milo, man up.
What the-
Over here, man. Over there crying. We are in here with you.
Keep going. Rip it.
That looks like some tough paper, Nancy. You might need help.
Okay. Open here.
Can you go to my bag and like, Charlie, here, pull it here.
Pull it here.
Go.
Rip it. What is it, baby?
Be careful, okay?
Train?
And get it? And
Yes.
get that big
I
one.
called, but the phone was busy. You gonna have to share that with me, man.
Do you like it? You need help? There.
And the big one.
Yeah.
Open
Look at that.
a dinosaur.
You want to open it? Open this
I
one.
was trying to see if I was gonna open it with a dinosaur on there.
I'll
Okay.
open and do it.
You about to piss on yourself?
Oh! I want to play.
What is it, baby?
A train.
He loves trains.
And the other side.
Oh, like, yeah, let's open this right now.
Wow!
I'm
Oh my
helping
God.
him.
You gotta be careful.
And the other side too.
Good job. What is it, Rishali? Train. Look in the camera. Say thank you. Look at the camera, baby. Say I love you. Oh my goodness.